In this video, we'll be telling you some bedroom wardrobe ideas. Good bedroom wardrobe ideas can be all that stands between you and your bedroom floor becoming a sea of clothes. A wardrobe is one of the hardest working pieces of furniture in your bedroom, since it needs to fit with the room decor and offer practical storage. Choosing the right one can be overwhelming. So we've pulled some of our favorite bedroom wardrobe ideas to help you find the perfect solution. Keep it traditional with an upcycled freestanding wardrobe. A wardrobe can be an expensive item of furniture, so it's worth looking around to see if you can get one secondhand. If you want a freestanding wardrobe to melt into the background, paint it the same color as the walls. The extra space on top of the wardrobe is perfect for curating a display of your favorite houseplants or other keepsakes. Create a boutique feel with a freestanding rail. Make an exposed hanging rail look more boutique shop and less just moved in by sectioning off a corner of your bedroom. You can mark out the space by painting the walls or pairing the rail with matching shelves and drawers. The real key to making this look work is matching hangers. For a sleek look, opt for slip black hangers that match the hanging rail. S-hooks are a handy hack for displaying your favorite handbags. Paint fitted wardrobes to blend into the background. Fitted wardrobes are the perfect solution for discreetly adding extra storage space into a bedroom. You can camouflage the wardrobe with the same shade of paint as the walls. Use sliding wardrobe doors in a small bedroom. Make the most of the space in a small bedroom with a fitted wardrobe with sliding doors. This style of doors means you won't need to factor in space to open the doors in your room. Use the extra space to indulge in an odds and ends chair. Just make sure the wardrobe isn't too tight a squeeze. You want to have enough space so you can still step back to see your whole collection of clothes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more ideas on how you can elevate your house. Thank you for watching.